Ready to ditch generic cold emails and build a personalized outreach system that actually gets results? In this 90-second tutorial, we'll show you how to create a powerful, automated cold outreach system using Zapier. First, connect your data source, like a Google Sheet or a CRM where you have prospect information. Make sure your data includes key details like name, email, company, and, most importantly, personalized information you can use to tailor your messages. The more personal, the better. In Zapier, set up a trigger based on your data source. For example, if you're using Google Sheets, choose New Spreadsheet Row as your trigger. This will start the automation every time a new prospect is added. Next, add an action step to send an email through Gmail or your preferred email provider. This is where the magic happens. Use Zapier's data mapping to personalize the subject line and email body with information from your data source. For example, you can use variables like name to automatically insert the prospect's name and favorite hobby to reference their personal interest, making the email feel less generic. To automate follow-ups, add a delay step in Zapier. Set it for a few days after the initial email. Then, create a second email action step as a follow-up. This email can gently nudge the prospect if they haven't responded to your first email, referencing the initial message. Finally, integrate your CRM. Set up a Zapier action to update your CRM with prospect engagement data, like whether they opened email or clicked the link. This helps track your campaign's effectiveness, monitor your results, refine your personalization, and watch your engagement and conversion rates soar. Now you know how to create a personalized cold outreach system with Zapier. For more details, check out the description below.